a museum with the pipe organ. Yeah. A look inside Longwood's 10,000 and pipe Aeolian organ.
You want to walk through?
Yeah. There's a history wall of the organ throughout the years. Isn't that interesting? And they have the different eras. Even 2000 today. This is so big. Organ chambers. Okay, look at the size. It's amazing, isn't it? They have a whole wall of fame and history of the pipe organ. And look at this organ. Oh my golly. All the control knobs. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see, but there's so many in here. It's just incredible. There's another area full of these pipes. Wow. Pretty cool, Kay, huh?
Nice.
This is such a cool behind the scenes backstage look at the pipe organ that we're hearing all this music out front. They're rebuilding in 1958. Wow. That's pretty cool. This talks about the maintenance and restoration. Okay, I wonder how often they have to have a tune-up. Look at this. And yet some more of the pipe organ. Look at all this glass, Kay. See that?
I know, I was looking at that.
Very special. They have a book that they can buy as well. Very nice. And of course, here's the gentleman playing all that beautiful music. This is special. The Meadow Tunnel. And we're in the meadow tunnel.
In the tunnel.
I love it. That's pretty cool, hey?